So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mkenya Marekani. Today, we are doing a house tour at the Epic Properties, and we have here Dr. Peter, who is the founder of this whole event. It means like you buy a house here, a rental house, and you don't need to look for like the tenants. They are all covered for you. But this one is the newer one.
Absolutely. Pole sana. Hi, how are you? Unfortunately, the house has been...
Yeah. No, it's fine, it's fine. Keep
the house is a one-bedroom house. Someone is moving in today.
Okay.
This is the lounge, as you can see. Very nice space. Come with me. We have the one-bedroom.
Yeah.
Which is quite spacious.
Yes, I see that.
Overlooking the backyard.
Yeah.
Which is very scenic, very windy, very nice.
Oh, this is nice.
Then you have enough wardrobe.
Yeah.
As you can see, where you store your stuff. Very nice.
Yeah. And by the way, if you buy this property, it's not you living here.
Yes.
It's somebody who will rent. They will be paying you, and not directly to you. But this company will be taking the rent, and yours will be waiting at the bank.
Absolutely. And this, we do this every 12th and 13th of the month. And then when you come down here, this is the washroom.
Yeah.
Come bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
You can see.
Well finished.
The finishing.
Yeah.
And just to let you know, this house is 1 year old. You can see it looks still new.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
The sink.
The sink is over here.
Yes. As you say, someone was moving in, so we just
people are moving in, so don't worry about this.
Yeah.
The faucet is here.
Yes, the kitchen.
Yeah.
Working wardrobe, very functional. Quite spacious. As you can see. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they are all soft clothes. We didn't do some funny wardrobes. They're very nice.
Yeah.
Clean. Granite. Yeah.
Wow.
And then the door to the balcony. You can feel the breeze.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. And
then you can see
the
background.
electric
fence. Yeah.
So watu wako wenye wakiwa hapa ndani, your clients, I will call, because Americans understand the word clients.
The clients, yes.
Yeah. They will be inside here, safe and secure.
Very safe and secure.
Yeah, waiting for you to now reap.
Yes.
Where you sowed.
Exactly. Yeah. They will enjoy. Then you have water for the machines. For
for laundry
machine.
Yeah.
And then for the iron, we have power for the guys who want to iron.
Yeah.
So it's a very basic and functional house.
Yeah.
We've made it fit into the requirements of the young Gen Z or the young Kenyans, because these people are yet, they are still, they are the youth. They want to aspire and inspire to be better tomorrow.
Yes.
So that's why we've given them a very clean, nice place. You can tell the space between here and the wall is about 2 meters.
Yes.
It's not congested. It's not a place where they don't feel like they feel congested. This is a place where they can live 3, 4, 5 years before they move into the next home. Yeah.
And as you can see, the neighborhood also is, there are places where you are here, but it's too noisy.
Yes.
The neighborhood is, the surrounding, is not clean.
Yes.
But you can see here, this is forestry.
It's greenery.
Yeah,
it's greenery,
forestry.
Absolutely.
So it's
that's
quite healing.
Yeah. That's an old coffee factory.
Oh, okay.
So mean that for the next 30, 40 years, then you'll happen there. Because most of them, they just collect.
And there's a possibility that in the next few years, there's going to be development here.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah. So you're buying a property where there's a lot of potential.
Exactly.
Yeah.
In fact, as I was telling you, for the next project, remember it's right next to this land.
Yeah.
So just be neighbors.
Yeah.
But so there's a lot of synergy between our neighbor and us.
Yeah. Let's remind guys how much this house is and how much they will get.
So this house, this particular one house, it's a 1-bedroom house.
Yeah.
The rent will be 22,000 shillings, less 2,000 shillings.
Yeah.
For service charge.
Okay.
So you get between 20 and 21,000 shillings. This is a 1-bedroom house.
Yeah, 1 bedroom.
And the cost is 3.3 million shillings.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
I'm just doing another tour, guys, for you, because me, I'm happy when you're happy. Okay.
And you can tell the tiles are very clean. It's a set. It's a 1 year old.
Yeah. You please.
And you can tell the way how we take care of your property. Because this become your property.
It becomes your property. Instead of you hustling with fundis, these guys hustle for you the fundi.
Yes.
And then they make sure you receive something that is qualified.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And the door is also like that.
Very, very functional.
Yeah.
You have the first lock. Second lock. Very safe, secure. Very well lit. You can see it's well lit. It's very well lit.
Yeah. Now msumboni na majirani yuko nje.
Yes.
So whatever, there's something we said in a previous video that they have also a solar that enables whenever there's no power, these stairs, lights, and like basic things are functional. Whenever there's a power surge.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Every time there's a power surge or where there's no Kenya power, all these lights are on because we have solar panels. Yeah. Which are on the rooftop, which ensures that when there's no power, then the lights comes on. Yeah.
So our esteemed potential customers, siwa utakuwa na deal na hii ati sijui hajalipa maji, hajalipa stima.
Yeah.
Watakuwa na deal nayo. Wewe ni kuchukua rent. Mimi nataka ni emphasize hapo. Ndio watu waelewe. So and I believe you can now mention your contacts and how guys can find you and also this place where it is.
Yes. Again, we are 7.7 kilometers from Sarit Center. This is Epic Ridge. Epic Ridge is between New Kituzuru Estate and a place called Kibishiku. New Kituzuru Estate is off Getcha Road.
Yeah.
Kule leafy suburbs. So from New Kituzuru to here is 1.7 kilometers, which is a very close distance. And we are served by a number of public transport, Ubers, Boda Bodas. It's a place to be in. It's a place which is safe, secure.
Yes.
And with access to a number of supermarkets, a number of hospitals, a number of malls. So it's a good place to come and start your life at the Epic.
Yes, yes.
My number is 0722 540 642. And I repeat again.
Yes.
0722 540 642.
Wow. That's amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, the property we've been showing you is up there on the first floor. This is second floor. In America, that's first floor. Yeah. So, and as you can see, this is now the outlook of that area because this is going to be like a separate video. So, yeah, we are overlooking a very beautiful structure of, is it 7 stories?
This is a ground plus 5.
Oh, okay.
Ground plus 5.
Okay.
That's what's allowed.
Nice, nice. So, guys, if you buy this property, and again, it's how much?
This is 3.3 million shillings.
And it's a 1-bedroom.
A 1-bedroom house.
Yes.
And gives you rent of 22,000 gross, 20,000 shillings every month.
Every month. Guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Wow. So my friend, tumekutolea hasara ya kuambia fundi sijui nilinunua mchanga, lori ikaanguka, ikamwaga hiyo mchanga yote. You buy like mchanga for three times, you know? Yeah. Hii ni kitu complete.
Imeisha.
Na wateja wako ndani.
Yeah.
Wewe ni kupokea rent. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. Peter was in Seattle. I talked to him, but hiyo ilikuwa ya kusemewa. We don't know. We've never seen. But today, we've confirmed, we've rubber stamped, we've approved, we've done everything. So,
verified.
We've verified. Sasa ukichukua nini 1-bedroom yako hapa hivi, that price, you just be receiving rent at the end of the month. So, hatutakuwa na mengi ya kuongelea. Just one more time, tell guys your number and then we can conclude.
Again, my number is 0722 540 642. Again, 0722 540 642. Be on social media handles, both IG, Facebook, and X, and we shall put them down there on the screen for you to see them.
Yes.
Once again, thank you so much. Na Mungu awabariki.
Absolutely. Asante sana. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Yeah, seeing is believing, and you believed that we are here at the Epic property, and you can see is very, durable houses. Unajua kuna nyumba ukiguza hivi simiti inaanguka na mchanga. Hii ni nyumba ya ukweli. So come by here, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, then the tenants are already here. Wewe ni kuchukua mshahara mwisho wa mwezi. Through them, not you. You don't become an agent. We're a boss. Okay? So cheers. God bless you. I'm going to put the contacts here. Reach them, ring them, and then you can get yourself this property. Beautiful property. Thank you.